Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 534. The title of today's lesson is the difference between mature and matured. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. It is important to note mature can be both a verb and an adjective. And to make things more confusing, the past tense of the verb mature is matured, just like the adjective matured. All right, let's continue. Both mature and matured are adjectives, and that is where the confusion comes in. That's where the confusion is involved in this situation. That's where students could make a mistake. A mature person has not only developed physically, but especially mentally. If a child has already behaves a lot older, like an adult, you can say he or she is mature for one's age. Okay. Even though their body may be like a child, or they might still be small, not really quite yet an adult. Let's continue. Mature can also be used for animals or plants that have animal plants that have grown to full size. Mature food, such as wine and cheese, has developed to have a strong flavor or taste. All right, let's continue. Now, matured as an adjective means fully ripe, used especially with products. All right, let's continue. Yes, thus both mature and matured could be used with products of wine and cheese. So almost any situation matured is used in, mature could also be used in, but not the other way around. All right, let's continue. When talking about people, mature as an adjective, use mature as an adjective, not matured. All right, and we have some examples where you can see this is where a student could commonly make a mistake. So let's look at this first one here. I would never date him. He acts like a child. He is not matured enough. No, you should say he is not mature enough. Okay, so you wouldn't use matured here because you're talking about a person. All right, second one here. He is a matured boy for his age. No, he is a mature boy for his age. Again, that would be the correct one. So with the X, that's wrong. With the check, that's correct. All right, and then we have some other examples here just to, to clarify this. He has matured beyond his years. All right, now here matured is actually the past tense. This is the PP form. So this is not an adjective. Okay, so of course that could be used because it's the past tense of mature as a verb. All right, the next one, you have to wait until the homemade wine is matured or mature. Both of these are okay before drinking it. So either one of those would be okay to use. All right, the next one. You have to wait until the bananas are matured. This batch is too green, or, the bananas are mature. Again, you could have said that as well. All right, and the last one here. That baby cub has grown into a mature bear. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.